it is possible to add constructability issues manually. So that really mimics what the services team has done a lot over the last couple of years, which is converting a 3D model, or sorry, 2D drawings into a 3D model, finding where the issues are by building it virtually, and then placing constructability markers in the model where you find a problem. So there's no automated clash detection, it's really human clash detection.
And it's not just clash detection.
And it's not just clash detection, it requires knowledge of the construction process too.
So everything that is not in 3D document, where you have to make an assumption and something goes through the report.
Right.
That's something you can include in clash detection.
Correct. Correct. So not all the issues that may exist in the 2D documentation will be caught by clash detection. So we can either add an issue manually without a link to the model, so that just creates a new empty constructability issue, or we can add an issue with a symbol which activates the symbol function, and if I hover with my mouse over the model after I activated that function, the snapping functionality is activated, as you can see. So it snaps to the model geometry. When I confirm a location, you can see that the constructability marker was placed here. That does not have a connection to any elements, so if I want to connect that to elements, I need to use the add elements function. So I select the constructability issue, I click add elements, and just like in Takeoff Manager, the paintbrush appears. The paintbrush means that I link elements to a takeoff item in Takeoff Manager, and here it means I link elements to a constructability issue. There we go. So now we did not use the automated clash detection, but painted the elements manually, which means that we can use the auto zoom as well, because elements occupy space in the 3D model. With the auto zoom, we zoom to that space in the model so we can see it in its entirety. If a excuse me, if a constructability issue cannot be resolved during a meeting, you can further escalate it by classifying it as an RFI. So the RFI may be an issue that cannot be resolved within the team that gathered for the meeting, and it has to be posted maybe on a team side or communicated to some consultants. I can do that again by right-clicking and selecting Generate RFI. If I do that, you see that there is a little eye icon that appears right next to the hammer, and that means that a copy of this constructability issue is now included in the list of RFIs for the project. You can view that list of RFIs in Manage RFIs. Manage RFIs is available for everyone who owns Vico Office Client. So Manage RFIs is not a part of the Constructability Manager license. You always have access to that. The only thing is you cannot create new RFIs. There we go. We had a collection of questions there already. So all this information is available for reporting. I will not go into how to define the report templates yet, but I do want to show how the markup is included in the template that we included in the program files folder. So we're in the report editor, and the constructability report is a report that you can find, like I said, in the program files folder, Vico Software, Vico Office templates. Constructability report generate starts the creation of the images taken from the viewpoint, so that's what's going on at this moment. That's what's in progress. As soon as that is done, the report will be available in the preview, including some logos that we put in there, as well as the project image. And what you see here is, of course, the basic information, as well as the viewpoint that we stored with Markup. And here's the screenshot that we added to. So if you were going to prepare for a meeting and you had source information as PDF files, DWGs, that resulted in an issue, you would take a screenshot of that issue, include that as an image, as well as a viewpoint of the model. And that gives you all the information that you need, unless you want to interact with the model live. Just to show this as well, created a quick report of the RFIs. So all that information is exposed for the report editor. So generating an RFI report with the currently pending issues is possible too. So if you want, you can generate the documents needed in advance of the meeting, distribute that by email, and then go through the issues one by one during the meeting, interacting with the model.